Welcome to Phone Breakdown. In this video, we'll compare the Vivo X300 Pro and the Vivo X300. Let's see which one will win in this comparison and find out which one is better. Let's get started. Starting with the screen, the X300 Pro is a bit larger at 6.78 inches, while the Vivo X300 has a 6.31-inch display. For display technology, both phones feature the same high-end LTP OAM OLED panel. Point 5. In terms of sharpness, the X300 Pro has a slightly higher resolution at 1260 by 2800 pixels compared to 1216 by 2640 on the X300. Moving to smoothness, both the Vivo X300 Pro and the Vivo X300 offer a super fluid 120Hz refresh rate. When it comes to brightness, there's no difference here. Both phones can hit a very bright 4500 nits peak brightness. For screen protection, the X300 Pro uses a standard scratch and drop resistant glass, but the Vivo X300 gets a tougher armor glass. Under the hood, both the X300 Pro and the X300 are powered by the incredibly fast MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset. The CPU configuration is also identical, with both phones featuring the same powerful octa-core setup with 1 Ultra-core, 3 Premium, and 4 Pro cores. And to handle the graphics, you'll find the same ARM G1 Ultra GPU in both the Vivo X300 Pro and the Vivo X300. Memory options are consistent across the board, giving you a choice of either 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM on both models. Storage is also the same, with both the X300 Pro and the X300 available in 256, 5, 12 gigabytes, or 1 terabyte versions. If you are hoping for expandable storage, neither the Vivo X300 Pro nor the Vivo X300 support a memory card slot. Now, a big difference in the camera. The X300 Pro has a 50 megapixel main sensor, while the standard X300 leaps up to a massive 200 megapixel main camera. Looking at the other rear cameras, the X300 Pro and the X300 share a 50 megapixel ultra-wide and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. For video recording with the rear camera, the X300 Pro can record in 8K resolution at 30 frames per second, a feature not available on the X300. Around the front, both devices are equipped with a high-resolution 50 megapixel wide-angle selfie camera. And that front camera on both the Vivo X300 Pro and the Vivo X300 is capable of recording video in 4K at 60 frames per second. Checking the power cells, the X300 Pro has the larger 6510 mAh battery compared to the X300's 6040 mAh. When it's time to top up, both the X300 Pro and the X300 offer the same fast charging speed of 90 watts. The overall build is premium on both, with both the X300 Pro and X300 featuring a glass back and an aluminum frame. Dimensions-wise, the X300 Pro is slightly taller and wider at about 162 by 75.48 millimeters, while the X300 is more compact. The Vivo X300 Pro is heavier at 226 grams, whereas the standard X300 is significantly lighter at only 190 grams. For audio, you'll get stereo loudspeakers on both the Vivo X300 Pro and the Vivo X300. In line with most modern flagships, neither the X300 Pro nor the X300 include a 3.5mm audio jack. Connectivity is future-proof, with both the Vivo X300 Pro and the Vivo X300 supporting 5G networks. Both devices support Wi-Fi 802.11 for fast wireless internet connectivity. And yes, you'll be able to use Tap to Pay with both phones, as both the X300 Pro and the X300 come with NFC support. Security is handled well, with both phones featuring a responsive under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Finally, all the usual sensors are included. The accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass are present on both the X300 Pro and the X300. And that wraps up today's breakdown. Here is the final result of the comparison. Tell us in the comments below which one you think is better and why. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Phone Breakdown, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest mobile comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.